Previously, we've met several families of numbers. We've met the natural numbers, which are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the traditional counting numbers. We've met the whole numbers, which are the natural numbers along with 0. And we've met the integers, which are the natural numbers, their opposites, and 0. With the addition of fractions, we now have a new family of numbers. The rational numbers consist of all numbers that can be written as a fraction, n over d, where n and d are integers and d is not 0. Now this can be written is going to turn out to be important. Sometimes we'll see a number that doesn't look like a fraction, but it will turn out to be a rational number anyway. The first thing to note is that every integer is a rational number. Why? For any integer, we can write that integer over 1 as a fraction. So -7 is -7 over 1. The second thing to note is that any given rational number can be written as a fraction in several ways. So just to return to our -7 example, we can certainly write -7 as -7 over 1, but -14 divided by 2 is also -7. So -7 is also equal to the fraction -14/2. Finally, while it is the case that every integer is a rational number, the opposite isn't true. Some rational numbers are not integers. For example, 11/5 is not an integer. If we were to take 11 divided by 5, we're asking what times 5 is 11, but 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 5 is 15. There's no integer between 2 and 3, so 11/5 can't be any integer.